There are many ways to easily delete these apps, and they can even help work out how to delete apps on iPhone permanently. Well, if it is annoyingly messing you up, please join us in bringing it to an end now. How to remove iPhone app from settings. For whatever iOS versions, Apple iPhone makes it convenient for you to delete apps from its settings. Uninstall an app on iPhone from home screen. How to completely delete an app using iTunes. iTunes can be used to remove the apps from your iPhone, even when it isn't physically accessible. If you want to delete the items permanently, you'll have to connect the device to the computer afterward. How to fully delete an app via iCloud. iCloud can be set to show purchase history, being used to manipulate subscriptions and access some family sharing options. Therefore, you probably need to remove apps from iCloud due to privacy and security concerns. How to remove apps from iPhone permanently via App Store. After uninstalling any unnecessary apps on your iPhone directly, App Store makes it possible for you to further erase the items permanently, as long as your phone is running iOS 13 or later. How to delete apps on iPhone permanently. 101 Recoverable. If you originally intended to delete the apps to ensure they have zero possibility of being recovered, you can decisively pick Mobikin Eraser for iOS, a powerful and professional iOS data cleaner. How to delete apps on iPhone permanently with Mobikin Eraser for iOS. Step 1. Run Eraser for iOS. Step 2. Enter the Select Security Level screen. Step 3. Delete apps on iPhone permanently.